The VP and Baby were replaced by the Model 68, which appeared in 1968, just in time to be banned from USA import. Hogg and Walter state that the Model 68 has a more rounded slide and a better angled grip. The Model 68 was available in 25 auto, 22 short, and 22 long rifle. The extended 8-shot magazine continues to be available for the Model 68 in the 25 caliber version. Hogg and Walter state that production ceased in 1970, but the gun was still being advertised on the company website in 2003 in all 3 calibers, and even in 2009 the Bernardelli website still listed the Model 68, the only pistol listed. The 25 Auto Bernardelli is marked V Bernardelli SBA Cal 635 Mod 68 Gardone VT made in Italy. In 2009, Sarsilmaz, the Turkish company that bought Bernardelli, reintroduced the gun as the Sarsilmaz P6.